Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to dominate Facebook without ever freezing your PC. Let's be real, manual posting is a nightmare, and most bots drain your RAM until your computer crashes. You need a system that works for you, not against you. Introducing 𝐓𝐞𝐿 Post. Our first breakthrough feature is optimized background execution. The tool runs silently in the background, allowing you to use your PC for other work while your marketing machine stays active. You can track the live progress bar to see exactly which posts have succeeded or failed at any given moment. Transparency is everything. 𝐓𝐞𝐿 provides a real-time history feed. You can see every single post and every timestamp as it happens. No more guessing, just pure data-driven results. Need to analyze your results? You can export your entire posting history to a file with one click. This is perfect for professional reporting and tracking your ROI with total precision. Every post is protected by advanced fingerprint isolation, keeping your account farm safe from Meta's AI. In 2026, the algorithm rewards consistency by automating 24/7 and monitoring your success rate via our logs. You build massive page authority and force Facebook to reach more users. Imagine managing 500+ accounts on a single PC without a single lag or system crash. 𝐓𝐞𝐿 Post is the professional infrastructure you need to scale your business to the next level. Stop struggling with unstable, heavy software. It's time to work smarter and dominate your niche. Ready to upgrade your marketing? Contact our expert team via Telegram or WhatsApp. All the details are in the description below for your free consultation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more pro-level automation tips. See you in the next one.